It is our pleasure to welcome Sri Devashish Sarkar, 1965 batch, senior most MITian amongst us today. Rashmi is handing over the bouquet to her just to have his guidance and all. Now we will request Dr. A.K. Nathani, head of the department mechanical, present MIT Muzaffarpur, to please come and share the stage this Devashish Sarkar sir. Please sir, Dr. A.K. Nathani sir, please. Now we will inaugurate the function. We will request Mr. Devashish Sarkar sir, so please inaugurate this function with the lighting of the lamp. Please. Prasanna, please help sir. Thank you very much, sir, for inaugurating this function. Now we will request our senior most, Sri Devashish Sarkar, please say a few words for the encouragement of young MITians. Devashish Sarkar, sir, please.
आज यहाँ पे आके मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है। अपने फेलो MITians मैं सभी को नमस्कार करता हूँ और मुझे इनॉग्रेशन का जो जिम्मेदारी दिया गया इसके लिए मैं आप सभी का आभारी हूँ। मुझे ये आइडिया नहीं था कि कलकत्ता में इतने सारे MITians एक साथ जुटेंगे, तो काफ़ी खुशी हो रही है। मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूँ। मैं 1965 बैच के मैकेनिकल बैच में था। मेरा नाम है देवाशीष सरकार। मैं कोल इंडिया में था ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 सब्सिडरीज एंड देन फाइनली कोल इंडिया हेडक्वार्टर्स में एज CGM इंजीनियरिंग एंड इक्विपमेंट डिवीजन। अभी मैं TIL में एज एडवाइजर काम कर रहा हूँ अबाउट 3.5 years। MIT का जो वेबसाइट आया है वो मैंने देखा, तो इसमें मुझे ये कहना है मिस्टर लाल हमारे यहाँ है जो सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर एंड गॉट ए सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी। तो मैं उनको रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि एक कुछ ऐसा ये लाए कि सभी हम लोग कनेक्टेड रहे ऑल ओवर इंडिया एंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। तो नज़दीकी बढ़ाने से अच्छा लगेगा और एक दूसरे के बारे में जान भी पाएंगे और जो भी हमारे अंदर कमी को हम दूसरे से पूरा कर पाएंगे। ये मेरा मिस्टर लाल से और सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसके लिए उनको सहयोग दें। मैं ये ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी मिस्टर ज्योतिष एंड अदर्स का आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने ऐसा एक फंक्शन का अरेंजमेंट किया है एंड हर साल ये करें, ये मैं चाहूँगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, sir, for your speech, for your guidance to all the young MITians. Now I request Prasanna to please come and say his few words, as you are the main person who are organizing this meeting. Prasanna, please.
Morning, sir, ma'am, and my dear friends. Really, I'm so excited here to see all of the MITians here in Kolkata. Really. And there's no word to say about this event, that we are just going to organize in the first event when I met to the Jyotish sir in L&T. Then he has just thought that we have to move forward for the meetings, the MIT meetings in the event in the Kolkata. So I have just in my mind just get and I have just started. Nothing, I do not know whether it will be there or not, whether it will be, but I just want to do it and I will do. And but fortunately all the seniors had just made a lot of supports to us to make all this successful event. And thanks to all of you. Really, it's a great event for all of us. And thanks to Devashish sir and to just come here for us. And A.K. Nathani sir, you also. Thank you, sir. And thanks to all of you, sir. Please, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू प्रसन्ना. मैं यही कहूँगा कि प्रसन्ना ने जो एफर्ट लगाया है बिहाइंड द सीन दैट कैन नॉट बी मेजर्ड. एंड नाउ आई विल रिक्वेस्ट डॉक्टर A.K. Nathani sir. So please come and say something on the stage, what is going on at MIT and how we are planning to have the future generations of MIT from our college. Please, Dr. A.K. Nathani sir, please.
First of all, I thank you, the organizing committee, to invite me here. And I immediately came to Calcutta after their invitation. My dear MIT alumni in Calcutta and West Bengal, I feel pleasure among my young brothers serving in West Bengal, the land of Lord Ramakrishna, Swami Vivekananda, and freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose. You MITians are flag in metropolitan city of Calcutta, the capital of Eastern India. You know, my mother MIT. I am proud to remember that I was conceived in the womb of glorious MIT in '68 when I left IIT Kharagpur in West Bengal as a first-year student. On 27 February '75, I was born as a mechanical engineer in MIT. My father MIT. On 27th February '75, means same day, I joined as part-time lecturer in MIT and prefer to remain in MIT till date. I refused the alluring post of assistant manager of Bihar State Financial Corporation and post of principal at Chhapra, JP Institute of Technology, Chhapra. I wish to retire from MIT in 2016 after completing my age of 65 years and continue to earn my livelihood as guest faculty in MIT during whole life. I am happy to inform you that MIT Muzaffarpur has been selected by Government of India for Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, TEQUIP-2. I had come to Calcutta to participate in two-day industry academic collaboration workshop on last 20th June. Now I invite you and your industrial collaboration on your industrial organization to come forward and join hands with MIT for the following purpose: to encourage research and development activities in your factory, to tailor our MTech syllabus to suit your manufacturing requirements, and avail modern technical consultancy services available at MIT Muzaffarpur. Seeking your valuable suggestions, wishing you good luck and thanking you.
Thank you, sir. And really, it's a very honor for us that Mr. A.K. Nathani sir has given a best speech I have ever heard in my life. Thank you, sir. And what I say, really, I do not know, but I have just on the stage and I have to do. So now at this time, I would like to request to all the MIT members to just introduce yourself. To just here, I'm just making the mic.
Good morning, everybody. I am N. Dwijen Singh. I am presently working as Additional Chief Engineer Power in the State Government of Manipur. I was 78 batch civil and passed out in 1984. Today, I'm very rather privileged to be with all of you, and it's a separate feeling to be with you once again. And now here, my son is here. His body's come up. I came with him. He's only in 9th standard. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, good morning, everybody. I'm M. Gunanan Sharma from Manipur. I was in MIT in 1979 batch, and it's good to see you all here, my seniors, my juniors, together in this place after a long time. Thank you very much. And I want to appreciate the organizing, the men behind the organizing these events. They have done a great job. Thank you all.
Thanks a lot, sir.
I'm P.K. Sinha, 73 batch, mechanical, passed out in 1979. I am in BHEL, presently working as general manager projects. Actually, recently I had been to MIT. So I want to draw attention of Nathani sir. Sir, I had been to MIT in sometime in April. So really, it was painful to see the status of MIT, the building, the maintenance, the cleanliness. So I request you, sir, if you can do something for the facelifting of the college, because the college which we passed out, really I wanted to see something much more developed. So I request you, sir, your help, or if we MITians can do something to raise the image of MIT or facelift, because if anybody goes there now, outsiders, I think he will not have a very good opinion about MIT.
Yes, I accept your ideas. For last some years, MIT had derailed. MIT had derailed from its glorious past. But now I am acting principal there after Dr. Dhruv Prasad. And I know every weakness in MIT. And I was talking with some engineers, and I will try to improve it within 5 years.
Thank you.
Within my service period.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Now I will request Shri Deep Kumar sir to please say a few words on this occasion.
Hello.
सभी आदमी को मेरा प्रणाम बोलिए, आशीर्वाद बोलिए, शुभकामना बोलिए। बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है अपने MIT के बिछड़े हुए साथी, बिछड़े हुए अनुज, बिछड़े हुए छोटे भाई से देख करके यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा लगा था। MIT में जब हम लोग गए थे, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था। शायद आप लोग मिस किए हैं कुछ लोग वहाँ पर। खैर, ये अच्छा अध्याय है यहाँ पर कलकत्ता में कि हम लोग आए हैं, सब एक साथ जमा हुए हैं, कम से कम एक दूसरे को पहचान रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को जान रहे हैं। बहुत दिनों के बाद ये आयोजन होता है, बहुत कम मौका मिलता है। बहुत लोग हम लोग से बहुत दूर दूर में रहते हैं, लेकिन चलो एक जगह पर जमा हुए हैं, ये बहुत खुशी की बात है। और आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग इस स्पिरिट को बनाए रखें और कोशिश करें कि साल में एक बार जरूर इस तरह हम लोग मिले। कोई भव्य आयोजन न हो, छोटा मोटा ही आयोजन हो, लेकिन हम लोग मिले एक जगह। हम लोग एक दिन या आधा दिन भी समय दे सकते हैं अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन के नाम पर। MIT हमारा जिंदाबाद रहे, इसका नाम आप लोग रोशन करते रहे।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर। MIT हमारा इंशाल्लाह जिंदाबाद रहेगा, हमेशा रहेगा। एंड नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट मिस्टर मुकेश श्रीवास्तव सर, प्लीज।
My all seniors here, batchmates Nathani ji, Mukesh Srivastav, you must be remembering it. So after seeing the faces of MITians, really I am very much glad, and I'm becoming sentimental because I am getting all those pictures which I saw in MIT campus. I'm feeling as if I have gone to the MIT campus. And I'm very lucky because this is the first time I'm attending any alumni meet of MIT. I am really very, very happy by the core of my heart. I know the way things were described about the MIT facelifting. I too have heard about it, that the situation, the kind of upkeep in the MIT campus is not up to the mark like what we have seen in the days of 58, 70 and 72. As Nathani ji has conveyed us that now he will see that within 5 years things will be uplifted, and I would like to attend some meet at MIT campus as soon as possible. About me, just let me brief you. I was in the government of India. I retired last year as Director Electrical from DGMS, Dhanbad. Now I am just residing in Dhanbad because I have got some very serious hobby of photography, which I picked up from MIT. In MIT, Nathaniel ji, आपको याद होगा, CSP Barma was the secretary of the Students' Union, and we had a dark room in MIT campus, and I was the secretary of the photography club. So the MIT gets the credit that gave me the hobby of photography, and today I think you should be very happy to know that I am the international photographer, and till date I have received more than 120 international awards. So in the second phase of my career, I was engineer till I can say June 2012. Now I have become a highly professional international photographer, and every day I am working still for 12 hours to maintain my level of photography in the national arena. Just to tell you about something about my achievement, in 2011 November, I was invited to Australia, Melbourne, to receive an award. And that picture, I took it in Nagpur. That is a hummingbird taking a sip of water from the tap. And with that picture, people know that this is Mukesh Srivastava. So this is the producer as on date, and let us hope that the way we are meeting with the cheerful faces, we will meet once and once again. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir. Really, it's very awesome to see here. And now I do just a request, sir, to just say something.
Hello. Good morning to everybody. I am N.K. Gupta, 83 batch Mechanical Engineering. I passed from MIT in 1988 and joined VHEL in the same year. Now presently I am working in the VHEL as a Senior Deputy General Manager. Thank you.
Sir, according to thinking, sir, actually what I have think, actually, sir, this is the first meet in Kolkata, but I have planned something more in all over India, sir. I have just planned, sir, that we are just going to just distribute the whole India in 4 zones. That's the northern, eastern, southern and western. And there is the 4 hub, that will be the Delhi, Kolkata, Bombay and Bangalore. I am just working over it, sir. And I am just going to make a website over that. In that there will be, there are India, and the 4 zones will be where the, in each every 3 months, they will be going to the alumni meet. In each every 3 months, just here in the August, then after 3 months in the Bangalore, then after 3 months in the Mumbai, then after 3 months in the Delhi. Then again return will be in the Kolkata season. And in every year, there will be the alumni meet of MIT in each hub. There is a Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Bangalore. And there is the database program. There is a database where all the MITians will have to register there. There are the numbers, the address, whatever the things is there with him, that everyone can access whether he is and how it can help the all MITian family in all over the India. And abroad India also, we are just going to forward, even in the America, Nepal, Japan, Bhutan, there is a lot of MITians is there in all over world. I have also contact in the Japan, in also the USA, in Nepal, in Bhutan, there are a lot of MITians is there. So I am just going to just make a family in all over world. So for that I am working over that, and a lot of seniors are just going to support me And it's really to request to all of you to just contribute your some time towards the MIT family that we are going to be organized in all over the world. So, because we can't move in a single way, हम लोग अकेले नहीं निकल सकते, हम लोग अकेले कहाँ तक भागेंगे? But if we will be there, अगर हम लोग सब साथ में है ना, तो definitely हम लोग अपने मंजिल तक definitely पहुँचेंगे, चाहे वो कितनी भी मुश्किलें आए, हम लोग सब साथ में रहेंगे, तो हम लोग को कोई कुछ भी नहीं बिगाड़ सकता. And we will be in the topmost college in all over world, and we will be. And we have just made all our things in all over world. That's why we are just going to be making Oxford University as like the MIT Muzaffarpur. I am just planning over that. I am just working over that, and there are a lot of seniors just making all those things. So for that, also there is the things there is a need about the time and money, the both, because without money it can't be possible to make in such an event in such a manner. So there is also the need of the money, and there is also the need of the time that you have to devote one day in a year, at least one day in a year, because this was the day of your college. This is the day except your family. You are just living with your family 365 days. You are living with your office 365 days, and each and everything. You are just what you are. Actually, we do not know. So at first, one day for us in a year, we have to just make it what we are exactly. And when this day has come, then all of us know what we are and where we are. Because हम लोग सिर्फ जिंदगी यहाँ पे काटने के लिए नहीं आए, हम लोग सिर्फ जिंदगी यहाँ जीने के लिए नहीं आए, हम लोग जिंदगी यहाँ पे enjoy करने के लिए आए. We are here to enjoy the life, to just enjoy the life. That's the main focus of my MIT family that we are just going to make. Thank you, sir. And sir, in next, just I want to request to sir, please sir.
देखा था इस दिन का जाने कब से, सपने और सजाने हैं सज संवर के, उठो ऊंचा इतना जितना ऊंचा है गगन, ए मैटियन की धरती तुझे सलाम तुझे सलाम. इसको चरितार्थ करने वाले हमारे नथवानी साहब, श्रीवास्तव साहब, मंच पर आसीन सरे, और हमारे मैटियन जितने भी हमारे मंच के सामने बैठे हुए हैं, उस सबको NK मिश्रा 78 बैच मैकेनिकल ब्रांच की तरफ से सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, और आशा करते हैं कि शुभकामनाओं के साथ अपने सारे ज़िंदगी को हंसी खुशी के साथ व्यतीत करेंगे. इसके लिए मैं एक आपको थोड़ा सा एक कविता सुनाना चाहता हूँ. सुबह का हर पल जिंदगी दे आपको, दिन का हर लम्हा खुशी दे आपको, जहाँ गम की हवा छूकर भी न गुजरे, खुदा वो जन्नत से जमीन दे आपको. विश्वास और प्रेम में एक समानता है, दोनों में किसी को भी जबरदस्ती पड़ा किया नहीं जा सकता है, और इसके लिए हस्ती मिट जाती है, आसियां बनाने में बहुत मुश्किल होती है, अपनों को समझाने में एक पल में किसी को भुला मत देना, जिंदगी लग जाए किसी को अपना बनाने में लग जाता है. तो दोस्तों, हमारे MITian की तरफ से, हम अपनी तरफ से सारे को हम ये चाहते हैं कि हमारे आने वाला कल सुनहरे अक्षरों में लिखा जाए, और MIT की धरती हमारे पूरे इस देश में, वर्ल्ड में भी हर एक तरीके से अपने उच्च कोटि पर बना रहे. इसी के साथ शुभकामनाओं के साथ NK मिश्रा आपसे